Alright, today we're going to be installing a drink holder on this Harley Davidson. Generally the drink holders, I like to install it on the throttle side, it seems more comfortable there. On this bike we're going to install it on the clutch side. The bracket that mounts it can be mounted on either side, both sides, throttle and clutch side. Also, we're going to mount the drink holder in the up position to give it the maximum clearance off the tank. If you had ape hangers, you'd probably hang it in the lower position to keep it a little bit lower. But on this bike, we're going to hang it in the upper position. We're going to get started by putting this rubber band that's supplied with the kit around the clamp halves, holds everything together. Oh, it's probably a good idea to cover that tank to avoid any misfortune. Pull out stock screws with a T27. Just like that. Okay, then we're going to take the drink holder. It's got a bolt welded onto it. Gonna spin the nut on there. Put the star washer on there. And then we're going to screw it onto our control mount. Just about like that. Hold the control mount up in place. Install the screws provided. 1/4 inch longer. Run those in with a 5/32. Snug those up. Now you can put that drink holder into position and either snug it up or leave it loose. Some people like the thing to swing. I prefer it snugged up. Next thing we're going to do is rotate the bars. Make sure everything clears, nice and free of the gas tank. Good to go. It's designed to fit a large fountain drink or a canned beverage with a koozie. Enjoy.